India offers a diverse array of pickles, each boasting unique flavors and regional influences. Here are some popular types of pickles commonly found across the country. Mango pickle. One of the most beloved varieties, mango pickle or aam ka achar, is a tangy and spicy condiment made from raw or ripe mangoes. It is often flavored with a blend of spices such as mustard seeds, fenugreek, turmeric, and red chili powder, creating a delightful balance of sweet and savory flavors. Lemon pickle or nimbu ka achar is a zesty and flavorful accompaniment made from whole or sliced lemons, marinated in salt, spices, and oil. The tartness of the lemons combined with the aromatic spices lends a refreshing and tangy taste, perfect for adding a punch of flavor to any meal. Chili pickle or mirchi ka achar is a fiery pickle made from green or red chilies infused with spices, vinegar, and oil. It offers a bold and intense flavor profile, adding heat and depth to dishes. Chili pickles come in various levels of spiciness, catering to different preferences. Mixed vegetable pickle or mixed veg achar is a vibrant medley of assorted vegetables such as carrots, cauliflower, green beans, and turnips, marinated in a tangy and spicy seasoning. This pickle offers a burst of flavors and textures, with each vegetable contributing its unique taste to the mix. These are just a few examples of the diverse range of pickles found in India. For more varieties of pickles, feel free to research the internet. So you might wonder, with what food items can we eat these pickles? So pickles serve as the perfect accompaniment to a wide variety of dishes, enhancing flavors and adding a punch of spice. Whether paired with piping hot parathas, fluffy rice, or even simple dal, pickles elevate the dining experience to new heights. Here are some examples of the same. Chhole Bhature, a popular North Indian dish consisting of spicy chickpea curry served with deep fried bread, that is bhature, pairs wonderfully with pickles. A tangy and spicy mango pickle or mixed vegetable pickle complements the rich flavors of the chole, adding an extra kick to each bite. Bhakri pitla, a traditional Maharashtrian dish, features bread, that is bhakri, served with a thick and flavorful chickpea flour curry, that is pitla. Pickles such as lemon pickle or green chili pickle enhance the taste of bhakri pitla by providing acidity and heat that balances the dish's savory notes. Thalipeeth. It is a savory pancake-like dish from Maharashtra. It is made from a mixture of multigrain flour and spices. Pickles like garlic pickles or red chili pickles can be served alongside thalipeeth to add bold flavors and a zesty punch to the taste of the pancake. In each of these pairings, pickles act as flavor enhancers, providing contrast and depth to the dishes they accompany. Whether it's the spicy tang of a mango pickle or the bite of a green chili pickle, pickles add an element of excitement to the dining experience, making every bite a memorable one. These are just a few of the cases where pickles are used, so you can imagine the amount of market capital pickles contribute to the Indian food industry.